Bonjour, bonjour. In this video, we're gonna learn about say plus adjective, like the general comments. So first of all, what is it? So what is say plus adjective? So this is the equivalent in English that it is or it's. So when you want to say something, like a general comment. So as you can see, the structure say plus adjective is used to make a general comment or give an opinion on a situation, an idea, or an experience. Two things to really remember. It introduces an assessment or evaluation. It is often followed by a complement or an explanation. So that's maybe a lot for you to take. So let's see some example, and I will give you also the translation, then you will understand. So here's the structure. So remember, c'est meaning like it is or it's in French, plus an adjective, always masculin singulier. Always, always. So it has to be like a male and singular. So the adjective is always in a masculine singular, whatever the subject or the object refer to. So here's an example. You see like mountain, la montagne, mountain is feminine, like a female gender. So if you want to use like the mountain is beautiful, you have to say la montagne est belle. Like the mountain is beautiful. But if you want to use that structure and to say like a general comment, la montagne, like not la montagne est belle, like this mountain or la montagne est belle. La montagne, c'est beau, as you can see. Now, when we use that structure, it has to be masculine, singular. Even if we refer to the mountain, which is feminine. Okay? So, la montagne est belle, la montagne, c'est beau. So, meaning la mountain, it's beautiful. Okay? I hope it's clear. So, here you have like a few examples. C'est intéressant. It's interesting. C'est facile à comprendre. It's easy to understand. C'est important de parler français. Are you agree? It's important to speak French. Okay? So now let's see some context of use. So we use it for expressing a general opinion when we give an overall impression or judgment. As you can see, oh, c'est magnifique ici. Oh, it's amazing here. C'est compliqué de résoudre ce problème. Like, it is complicated to solve this problem. Oh, c'est amusant de regarder ce film. It's funny to watch this movie. Okay, as you can see, we use it like for general opinion, general comment. But not only. Also, when we talk about like a feeling or emotion, so when we express how we feel about a situation, so now a few examples, c'est triste de voir ça. Like, it is sad to see this. C'est motivant de travailler avec toi. It's motivating to work with you. Merci, thank you very much. C'est rassurant d'avoir des nouvelles. It is reassuring to have some news. Okay, so as you can see, remember first like a general comment with also for feeling or emotion. And then also when we comment an idea or an action. So, c'est bien de commencer tôt là. Oh, it's good to start early. C'est dangereux de conduire trop vite. It is dangerous to drive too fast. C'est utile d'apprendre une langue étrangère. It is useful to learn a foreign language, as you can see. This is quite simple what we've learned today, but still important to use it because we use it like when we talk in general. Then here, some example of the most common that we use for the positive, negative, and neutral. So, c'est génial. Wow, it's awesome. C'est magnifique. It's magnificent. C'est pratique. It's useful. C'est facile. It's easy. And at this one, I underlined it because it's an expression. C'est chouette. So chouette is mean a hole, you know, the bird a hole. And we say c'est chouette is mean, oh, it's so cool, it's so nice. Oh, c'est chouette. So this is a very good one to know. It's a funny one. I know when I teach that to my student, they always like it. And after they use, oh, c'est chouette, c'est chouette. And when they hear it in a context, they say, oh my God, that's awesome. So c'est chouette. Then we have the negative, some like, c'est compliqué, it's complicated, c'est difficile, it's hard, c'est dangereux, it's dangerous, c'est triste, it's sad, c'est frustrant, it's frustrating. And then we have some neutral. As I said, those one are the most common that we use. So it's just to give you more vocabulary for you to know. C'est possible, it's possible, c'est intéressant, it's interesting, c'est normal, it's normal, c'est logique, it's like it's common sense. So you guys in English say it's common sense. In French, we say c'est logique. Okay, it's logic. Okay, c'est important. It's important. So that's it for today. It was an easy video. I hope you enjoy. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me down below. I'll be happy to help, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Bye bye.